All right, welcome to TinderDB. So, as student developers, we're very passionate about sustainability, but a lot of people don't realize the environmental impacts that both companies and individual developers have just by pushing data to a database. Uh, companies put tons of carbon into the world without even knowing it, and individual developers do as well. In fact, 2 metric tons of carbon are emitted for every terabyte of data that's put into a database. And here's our solution. It's TinderDB. It's an easy way of managing your databases with just 3 swipes, and it allows you to save tons of carbon from going out into the world.
Yeah. So a little bit into how TinderDB works. So if you first look at the main interface here, you'll have a card showing you a singular table in MongoDB or a singular collection in MongoDB. And we'll give you information about how much carbon, its carbon footprint, how much storage is taking up, and what cluster it's in. Um, and from here, you can either choose to swipe right, which means that you'll keep the table, or swipe left, which means that it'll automatically put it into MongoDB archival. So if we look here and we realize that this research data is for a very important project of ours, we'll go ahead and swipe right, and we'll keep that table. However, for this table, say this is a research project we did a long time ago and we realize that we don't need it anymore, if we swipe left, we can automatically put it into MongoDB archival storage. Now, if we look over to our MongoDB dashboard now, over here, and we go to our archival storage, we can actually see the database that actually went into that archive. So if we go into here, we're going to see all of the different databases here that are currently actively archiving from TinderDB. So TinderDB is really just an easy way for you to manage your own databases and to make sure that you're able to reduce your own carbon footprint as a developer.